Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best hybrid SUVs you can buy in 2023. Number 7. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a masterpiece of engineering and design that promises to take your driving experience to the next level. From its long, wide stance that enhances handling to its multi-link rear suspension that ensures steady traction, this compact SUV exudes confidence on the road. The RAV4's interior is a symphony of premium materials and intuitive features that create a perfect harmony between you and your vehicle. With available Softex trimmed seats and 8-way power-adjustable driver and 4-way power-adjustable passenger seats, you're sure to find your perfect driving position. With the RAV4's standard safety features, including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assistance, and road sign recognition, you can drive with confidence no matter where your journey takes you. In conclusion, the Toyota RAV4 is a remarkable compact SUV that offers reliability, roominess, and versatility. With its smooth and confident ride, premium materials, and standard safety features, the RAV4 is hard to beat. Number 6. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is an SUV that has become synonymous with adventure, versatility, and rugged reliability. It has been a true icon in the world of SUVs since its inception and continues to be a popular choice for drivers who want a vehicle that can handle anything life throws their way. The Explorer's reputation for quality, reliability, and performance is hard to match. It has won multiple Best Buy awards, and with its expanding size, it offers plenty of interior space for all your needs. But what really sets the Explorer apart is its sporty look and great performance in the snow. With its muscular, sleek design, the Explorer exudes a sense of power and confidence that is sure to turn heads. And when the weather turns cold and snowy, the Explorer's advanced technology and features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a front windshield that defrosts quickly ensure that you'll always be comfortable and safe, no matter what the weather brings. Whether you're taking the family on a road trip, embarking on a weekend camping adventure, or simply navigating your daily commute, the Ford Explorer is the perfect SUV for any occasion. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is not just any SUV. It's a true marvel of engineering and design that stands out from the crowd. Its sleek and stylish exterior is sure to turn heads wherever you go, with a sculpted profile that exudes confidence and class. But it's not just about looks. The Highlander is also incredibly spacious, with a roomy interior that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers. That means you can pack up the family or your closest friends for an unforgettable road trip or weekend adventure. The Highlander also prioritizes safety and convenience. With Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, you can drive with confidence knowing that your SUV is equipped with advanced safety features that help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe. And with the 7-inch color multi-information display, you can easily access important information and stay connected to the world around you. Whether you're a busy parent shuttling your kids to school and activities, or an adventurous spirit looking to explore the great outdoors, this SUV has everything you need to tackle any challenge and make the most of every moment. Number 4. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is a statement of power and luxury on wheels. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge technology, the Lexus NX is built to turn heads and command attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the Lexus NX boasts 2 impressive engine options. The turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers a whopping 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful engines in its class. And for those who prioritize fuel efficiency, the hybrid powertrain offers an even more impressive performance while saving on gas. Plus, with the adaptive variable suspension and all-wheel drive, the NX is equipped to handle any road condition with ease. But the true beauty of the Lexus NX lies within its interior. With a human-centered design that's both stylish and functional, the NX offers drivers and passengers an unparalleled level of comfort and convenience. The available 14-inch touchscreen allows drivers to control various features of the car, including navigation and music, with ease. Finally, with its spacious cabin and high-quality materials, the Lexus NX offers a luxurious and relaxing environment for all passengers. Whether you're running errands around town or embarking on a long road trip, the NX is the ultimate driving machine that combines power, comfort, and style in one irresistible package. Number 3. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape has been turning heads since its debut in 2005 and continues to impress drivers with its versatility and capabilities. The latest model is equipped with cutting-edge technology that sets it apart from its competitors. It offers a smooth and composed ride, making it a comfortable option for both city and highway driving. The Escape's design may not be as flashy as some other SUVs on the market, but it's practical and reliable, qualities that many drivers value above all else. Equipped with all-wheel drive and a powerful engine, the Escape can handle any driving situation with ease. It's this combination of utility, performance, and technology that has made the Escape a popular choice among drivers looking for a well-rounded SUV. In summary, the Ford Escape is an exceptional SUV that offers advanced technology features, a comfortable ride, and impressive capabilities. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the Escape has everything you need to make your journey enjoyable and stress-free. Number 2. Hyundai Tucson. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson is not your ordinary compact SUV. It is a striking masterpiece that is bound to turn heads on the road. Its sleek, futuristic design is not only stylish, but also functional, with sharp creases that add to its aerodynamic profile. The most notable feature of the Tucson's exterior is its unique smiling grille, which illuminates like a bright Vegas marquee, giving it a distinct and modern look that is unmatched in its class. The interior of the Tucson is equally impressive, featuring a simplistic but modern dashboard design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The digital gauge display and push-button shifter add to the futuristic feel of the cabin, while the touch-sensitive control panel for the climate control system and infotainment provides a seamless and intuitive user experience. Passengers in the Tucson can enjoy a comfortable and spacious ride, thanks to the high-quality materials and switchgear used in the cabin. For eco-conscious drivers, the Tucson offers 2 hybrid powertrain options that provide excellent fuel economy and impressive performance. The SUV's large cargo area also makes it a practical choice for families and adventurers who need space for their gear. With its unique combination of futuristic design, practicality, and affordability, the Tucson is a well-rounded SUV that offers something for everyone. Number 1. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is a compact SUV that is turning heads with its sporty and stylish design, which makes it stand out in a crowd of ordinary SUVs. The 2023 model is particularly impressive, offering a spacious cabin with best-in-class cargo space, making it a great choice for families and adventurers alike. The Sportage also boasts a powerful engine and some appealing technology features, including Kia DriveWise for advanced safety on the road, which adds an extra level of security and peace of mind. Additionally, with Kia's unlimited kilometer 7-year warranty, the Sportage is a reliable and affordable choice for anyone in the market for an SUV. The Sportage's reputation for providing a quality ride at an affordable price has made it a class fixture for many years. However, beyond features and value, the Sportage also boasts bold styling and advanced features that drivers aren't likely to find in other compact crossover SUVs. Whether you're looking for a reliable family vehicle or a dynamic and fun SUV for your next adventure, the Kia Sportage is a compelling choice that is sure to exceed your expectations. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it useful and informative, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.